kind of questions we ask and the approach we take when asking a prospective client what their needs are influence how much control we have over the meeting or conversation. In option A, Prisha and David use open questions to encourage Megan to express herself regarding what she wants for Overlander's upcoming event. Megan responds freely without taking into consideration the costs or logistics. After all, that's not her responsibility. Despite feeling uneasy about her requests, this is evident from their anxious faces and their exchanged glances, Prisha and David don't modify their approach, but instead choose to hear Megan out. They don't at any time during the meeting take control of the situation, so they end up agreeing to everything that Megan asks for. In option B, Prisha and David ask Megan leading questions, which suggest possible ideas for the event. They demonstrate far more control of the meeting and the potential outcomes, steering the client towards their proposed ideas, which they know will provide them with a much-needed profit. And Megan never feels that she has had anything imposed on her and is happy with the ideas they put forward.